How are you? Hope you are doing something great today. I know you are frustrated with this error on MacBook on using a local host on MacBook Xampp. Okay, so this error is come up in the Xampp MacBook while installation a plugin or activating a plugin. So what would be the solution? I know you watched all the videos who are telling you how to fix this issue, but they will not provide you exact solution, so you are stuck again. In this video you will see how I solve this issue within a minute, so stay with me and be right back. Okay, so I'll be there. And now, how to solve this issue on a MacBook low SAM server. Okay, so first of all you need to add some code inside your file. Okay, and then you have to go to your XAMPP folder. Okay, then htdocs, your website file website file name. Like I had a name of WordPress. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you have a same name. You have another name. Might be you have another name for this folder. So once you go to your website folder, you can go to the WP content. There is a folder called a plugin. Once you go to a plugin, right click, click on get info, and you can see there is some restrictions are there, so you have to make it read and write, then just close it. And once again I would like to go to add new, and then you go to popular. Okay, we can install you can install any plugin. Okay, so we can install, okay, used SEO. And guys, this is a surprise for you. Okay, just hang on. It take quite few minutes. Here we go. There is no error right now. That means we solved the issue. So what we have to do, just click on activate. Hey, we have installed a plugin successfully. Keep subscribe my channel. I will make more video for you for this all technical solution. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.